there, my name is Dom, and I am going to be showing you the Confluence plugin that aligns with our mission at Mermaid to work where you work. We never want you to have to go out of your way of your workflow. You never actually need to come to the mermaid.ai website if you don't want to. So what our Confluence plugin does is it allows you to get the entire editor experience that you would get in Mermaid chart, but you can do it in Confluence. Everybody who has access to Confluence is able to see these diagrams. Anyone with a license is able to edit them. They refresh and do connect to your Mermaid.ai cloud account. So anyone who makes diagrams in the cloud, they can automatically be brought over here. You can insert them, you can edit them, you can refine them. Anything you make in here will also tie back so that everybody can work exactly where they want to work. This also works across all of our other plugins like Jira, VS Code, and there are many others as well. So there are two ways that you can initiate the plugin. You can go to the plus here and start Mermaid chart, or alternatively, you can always just do /mermaid and pull it up here. What this is going to do is now it's going to bring you to the entire Mermaid experience. So this is actually the exact same dashboard and project view that you get in the cloud version. So again, we want to work where you work, and we want to give you all the tools that you would get with the main product. So now that you're in your Confluence plugin, what you can do is you can always choose any plugin that you've created in the past. I have a bunch of strange ones where I've been experimenting with things. So I'm going to want to do a new diagram. But again, we can always go just straight edit them or insert them. But I'm going to go ahead and do that new diagram. In here is where you get all of the normal capabilities. So you will have your templates up here. Flowcharts are typically the ones we see for documentation, but if you are doing technical documentation, we have your class diagrams, sequence diagrams, state, mind map, ER for your database diagrams, and more. Of course, you can always edit the Mermaid code here if you would like. For many of our diagrams, you can actually just use your mouse and edit them as well. And you do get full AI capabilities. So we can always do our Mermaid AI to create something from scratch, to edit our existing diagram, to upload a file, to upload a transcript. If you want to upload your Confluence doc, just copy and paste it in here, or download it, and you can get it right into Mermaid AI here and actually just get that diagram. So one of our goals is, of course, working where you work, but the other goal is we actually don't want you to have to do any diagramming ever. We want to do all of that work for you. So in this case, we did a quick sequence diagram. We can go ahead and edit it. Again, we can use our mouse if we want to. We can edit using the code here, or we can use the AI. We can name it whatever we want. And this, like I mentioned earlier, is going to be created in the Mermaid Cloud version as well. So you can see it and edit it there, but you can always come back and edit it on your Confluence doc. You can also add comments directly to the diagram if you want, and we can put a caption here that's going to show up on the Confluence doc. So I'm just going to do caption sample here. We can choose what size we want. I always recommend going large or extra large if you have a diagram that gets to a significant size. So we're going to do large, and we're just going to insert that diagram. We can see we have the diagram here. At any time, we can always click on the rendered diagram, click here, and then go back and edit it, make any changes we want, just have it sync up. You can always trash, copy, any of those things. So you can see our caption is down there as well, and we can go about our normal Confluence as we wish. So now that we have this, like I mentioned, we can always edit it in cloud version. We can edit it here, but I'm going to save it to this Confluence doc, and anybody doesn't even have to have a Mermaid license. When they view this Confluence document, they will see this diagram. If they want to edit it, that's where they will need a license. But if they just want to comment directly on the document, they will need a license. But if you go premium or enterprise, they actually get a free viewer and comment license. So if you have a manager who is not going to be making diagrams but wants to comment directly on it, they can do that free of charge as well. So anyone who's going to be editing will need that license, but everyone else is free game for you, and we'll be able to see your wonderful documentation work. So that is the overview of the Confluence plugin. Like I mentioned earlier, we have tons of other plugins, so you can do this on your Jira tickets in the exact same way. You can do it in your Google Docs, you can do it in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word, and you can do VS Code for your engineers and many others. Otherwise, good luck and happy diagramming.